Welcome to today's tutorial. So for today, we're going to look at how do you redeem your funds from your Earn wallet. Now, once you log in, this is going to be your home page. This is the Binance Pro version. And what you're going to do is on the bottom bar, on the far right corner where you see wallets, click on wallets. And then at the top bar, you have overview, which gives you an overview of all the funds in all your wallets. Okay. Spot, it will give you a balance of all you're holding in your spot wallet, and for Earn it will give you all the assets you're holding in your Earn wallet, and it's going to divide according to the kind of subscription that you've had. So you see, for me in this case, I have 4 assets in the flexible Earn, 1 asset in BNB Vault, and 1 asset in locked. Okay, so I'm going to select where do I want to redeem from. Now for the locked, if I want to redeem an asset that I had locked, okay, it means I would have to forfeit. That is, if I'm trying to redeem an asset before the time period has elapsed, it will mean that I will have to forfeit the rewards that I would have accumulated up until that point. So let's see that practically. So in this case, I have Cardano. We've subscribed just for the sake of this tutorial, and we're going to try and redeem and see what information we get. So you see here that I had subscribed. Subscription date was on 18th of this month, December 2023. I've locked it for a period of 120, meaning that I can redeem on the 18th of April 2024. Now I want to redeem early. What consequences will I have to face? If I redeem early, it will tell me redeeming in advance will result in the loss of the whole rewards, or you can get the rewards until the subscription term ends. So if you confirm, then it means you have to forfeit the rewards, or you can just let your assets continue accruing the rewards and then just redeem once the subscription has ended. So we're going to go back and just redeem from our flexible holdings. So in our flexible holding, it means I can just redeem immediately. Okay, I will not have to face any consequences. So I'm going to click on flexible. I'm going to choose an asset here. So for example, I want to redeem Synapse with the ticker symbol SYN. So I'm going to click on Synapse here, and I'm going to click on redeem. So I'm going to enter amount here. I can click that if I want to redeem all my Synapse into my wallet, I'm going to click on maximum. Now you'll have to pick either from the spot wallet or the funding wallet. Now, if you redeem an asset that is available on the P2P marketplace, you can just redeem directly to your funding wallet so that you can cash out on the P2P. But if your asset is not on P2P, then it is best that you redeem to your spot wallet so that you can convert into an asset that can be sold on the P2P marketplace. So for this case, my Synapse is not available on P2P, so I'm going to redeem to my spot wallet, and then I'm going to click confirm. Once I do that, I go back to my wallet. I can refresh that and see that my Synapse is now on my spot wallet. So now I can just take my Synapse and go to either spot trading and sell it off, or I can go to convert option and convert it to whatever other asset I would prefer. And that's the very easy way to redeem from your Earn wallet.